Hi there. We are NGSM Management and we offer IT infrastructure solutions for new small businesses or already established businesses that are looking to upgrade their current IT infrastructure with a possibility to lower their cost. We understand how difficult it is to maintain a business and also the different challenges that you need to face. We are here to promote a solution that may help you to reduce costs related to your IT infrastructure. There is a lot of different challenges that a business needs to face, including IT infrastructure challenges, and we are going to talk today about the challenges more related to the life cycle and cost of operation. Usually, we can see that in a regular business IT life cycle, here we have our timeline, and the owner will need to purchase and put up front a lot of money to be able to establish their IT infrastructure. Also, it will need to incur in some expenses to be able to perform configuration of the software and the hardware of that IT infrastructure, and then later on will need to keep expending some money to be able to perform repairs and upgrades on those PCs or those servers or the network infrastructure, and also perform operation and maintenance, usually calling some technician to arrive to your business and perform some regular repairs that sometimes don't last more than 3 weeks. Finally, after all this hardware is obsolete, you still need to go there and pay for some disposal procedure. So as you can see, basically in a regular business IT life cycle, it can be very expensive, and it will be a challenge for a small business to be able to keep up with all these costs. What we are trying to offer is an alternative solution in which instead of putting all that money up front, you can rent your hardware. In that way, you will be able to lower your cost of configuration and operation and maintenance, because we will be assisting you in that task. On the other hand, you don't need to worry anymore about costly repairs or upgrades of your hardware, and you will also be benefit of a lower fee for software solving problems. Finally, you don't need to take care of the disposal of the equipment because it's not actually your IT infrastructure. So there is no cost association for hardware repairs or upgrades or disposal. And there is only a low cost for software repair and upgrades depending on the application that you are running in this IT infrastructure or server. So as you can see, with this type of IT life cycle, the cost of operation for your business, it's going to be highly reduced instead of paying upfront a lot of money to be able to buy an infrastructure that probably is not even related to your business. In this approach, you will be able to lower your cost of operations, and that money can be spent in other part of your businesses. Okay, so give us a call and we will be happy to assist. Here is our contact information. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to hear from you pretty soon.